back here on Kent's Monaco. We've been having an issue, and it's been on and off for a while now. I know Wes and I tried to chase this down and figure it out and fight with it. And basically, there's our issue. The alternator doesn't sit square, for one. Two, the alternator makes crunchy noises. And it's a brand new alternator that we just got a few months ago. I say a few, it's closer to probably a year ago. Which unloads these belts sometimes when the air's on and makes the compressor clutch kind of grind and slip, and it's a hot mess. So I'm gonna pull this alternator out. It is under warranty, and we're gonna get to the bottom of this. Definitely something not right in this alternator.